So, if you're anything like me, then you've probably tried all the usual ways of making money online. You know, stuff like affiliate marketing, dropshipping, creating online courses. But what if I told you there are fresh new ways to make money that nobody is really talking about? That's what we're diving into today. In this video, I am gonna spill the beans on 8 brand new ways to make money online in 2025. So stick around. This is your host. Welcome to the channel. Let's get right into it. No one AI-powered side hustles. Now, let's talk about a game changer. AI-powered side hustles. What's cool about AI is that it levels up your hustle game. You can use AI to make content, edit videos, and even design graphics. Think about it. You can use AI to help you make videos like this one quicker and easier than ever before. And guess what? People are always looking for high-quality videos, but they don't always have the time or skills to make them themselves. So here's the deal. You can create these videos using AI and sell them on places like Etsy, Fiverr, or Gumroad. It's a win-win situation. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per video. Imagine earning an extra $300 to $600 every week just by using AI. Pretty awesome, right? The best part is you can do this from anywhere in the world. So if you're a creative type who loves using AI tools, this is definitely something to think about. Number 2, microservices on gig platforms. Another way to make some quick cash is by offering microservices on popular gig platforms. These are super quick jobs like editing captions, making eye-catching thumbnails, or doing keyword research. The great thing about this is that you don't need tons of experience to get started. Many people have successfully jumped in and started making money without any previous experience. And here's the best part. You set your own rates and choose when and where to work. It's all up to you. If you want to test the waters, start with smaller projects and work your way up. This way, you can also build up good reviews, which will help you charge more as you go. No 3. Monetizing short-form video content. You've probably heard about platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, right? Well, they're not just for entertainment anymore. Now, these platforms actually pay creators like you and me. Yep, you can get paid for posting short videos. And guess what? Even if you have a small account, you can still make some good money through brand collaborations. It's not hard to get started. Just pick a topic you're passionate about and share your knowledge in 60-second videos. Before you know it, you'll be raking in the cash. Number 4, online teaching and microcourses. Have you ever thought about becoming an online teacher? It's a fantastic way to make money and help others at the same time. And guess what? Creating micro courses is easier than you might think. All you need to do is break down a skill or a topic into bite-sized pieces and voila, you've got a course. You can teach anything you're good at, whether it's AI coding, woodworking, or even trade skills. And the best part is people are always looking for these kinds of courses. You can share your expertise on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or Teachable and earn money while doing what you love. So, if you have a talent or a skill you want to share with the world, why not turn it into a profitable side hustle? Number 5. AI Google Maps Money Hacks. Here's a unique one. AI combined with Google Maps. Businesses want to show up when people search for them on Google Maps. Right, but that's where you come in. You can offer services like updating their business listings, helping with local SEO, or even conducting digital audits. These businesses are willing to pay good money to make sure they look great online. So, if you're good with technology and a bit of a problem solver, this could be a great way to make some money. Number 6. Digital real estate. Did you know you can buy and flip websites just like buying and flipping houses? Well, in the digital world, it's called digital real estate. And here's how it works. You find a website that needs some love, buy it and make it better. Then you can sell the website for a profit. Or, even better, you can rent it out and make passive income every month. It's similar to real estate, but everything happens online. And guess what? In 2025, a platform called 2025 has some tools that will make it easier than ever for beginners to get started. So if you're interested in making money with digital real estate, keep an eye on 2025. Number 7. Subscription communities. Now, let's talk about building a community. You can use platforms like Patreon, Discord, or Ko-fi to create a special place for people who share the same interests as you. It's a way to connect with others who love the same things as you do. And here's the exciting part. You can offer them exclusive content, advice, or even behind-the-scenes access for a small monthly fee. Your fans or students will become paying members of your community. So, if you're passionate about something and want to build a loyal following, consider starting a subscription community.